Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faraz. Today I'm going to teach you how you can go ahead and run lead generation ads on Facebook. In case if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And in case if you've already done that, thank you so much. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the dashboard of your Facebook Ads Manager. In order to proceed with ads, I would need to click on Create. Now from here, I would select Lead Generation. The very important thing when you select lead generation, this page would open up. It would show your page here. See, it's showing the name of my page. You need to click on this view terms. I agree to the terms and conditions, because even if you've entered everything on this page, the dynamic creative, audience placement, budget and schedule, you would not get an option to continue. So remember, you need to go ahead and select this. See, it's showing here you've accepted Facebook's lead ads terms for this page. Now I would quickly go ahead and forward this, because we've already covered this part in the other video. Okay, so this is the part where we go ahead and enter the text for the ad. So I would assuming if we are going ahead and doing it for a marriage bureau, so the text that I would add here, get the right life partner. Headline is an option, description is an option, display link is also an option. Call to action, I would select it as sign up. Yeah, see, this is the part where this is very important. In order for a person to give you the details, when they would see your ad, they would be giving you the details. So how would you get the details? You come on this part, you see instant form. I don't have any forms created. In case if I would have had it, it would have shown here. So I'll click on new form. So this is also showing as optional, so I'll just remove this. And now I would need to add questions here, what I need to ask to my prospective clients or customers. So the by default questions which are here is email and first name. So I would need to ask here one more thing. I would ask them for the contact information. So I would go in contact fields and select phone number. If I want, I can also add another question. I can go ahead and ask them a short answer. So I would ask them, where do you stay? So they have an option to enter the city depending upon where they are staying. See, I don't get an option here because I've selected short answer. Now I can go ahead and select a question of multiple choice. So I can enter here, please select your age group. The first answer I would select is 21 to 25. Okay. Second one I can select is 26 to 30. And the next one what I can enter is 31 and above. Okay, so these are the options I have added. This is where do you stay, that's a short answer. Please select your age group, that's a multiple choice answer, and I have already given the answers. You can also give the answers if you choose this, the answers of your choice. Now I would go ahead and enter privacy policy. This is very important whenever you're running a lead generation ad on Facebook. it is important for you to go ahead and add the privacy policy URL. Without that, you will not be able to go ahead and run the ad. So I would enter the link text here, the same as privacy policy. And as of now, I would just enter this as abc.com/privacy policy. Do you want to add any disclaimer? No, I don't want to add any disclaimer. And this is the thank you screen. Thanks, you're all set. This information is auto set. You can go ahead and edit these details if you want to. I would leave this as it is. Again, it's asking me for the website link. I would enter the same website which I've entered above, abc.com. See on the right hand side how the thank you screen would look. And I would go ahead and select finish. Okay, see now it's loading, it's showing here. The next time if I want to go ahead and run the same ad regarding a marriage bureau, I can go ahead and select this form. I would just need to select this, and I would need to come here and select confirm. When I go ahead and select confirm, the ad would go in review. And once it is approved by Facebook, your ad will be live. After watching this video, you would be successfully be able to run lead generation ads on Facebook. In case if you did face any difficulties, please do let me know in the comment section. Until then, you have a lovely week ahead. You take care. Goodbye.